right, salute guys. So I think I'm about ready to hit it with the roller now. Remaining part of the wall. Again, remember guys, I'm painting from that tape on down, all blue. It's gonna be all blue on there. And this side of the wall is gonna be lavender. Again, if you don't know your colors, look it up. If you didn't learn them in school, when you was in elementary school, junior high school, look it up. Okay, you should have paid attention back then. I'm gonna paint that side blue all the way down to the bottom part, okay? And that wall also, those two walls right there, they're gonna be that lavender color. I got that color right here. Right there, okay? 2 gallons of paint right there, that's that lavender color. All right, so, here we go. Again, not difficult, just gotta be patient about everything. All right, just be patient. Ain't no need to rush. Ain't nobody waiting for me. It's good to be your own boss. It's not that you do what you want to do, because your customers are your clients. They're the ones that are gonna be on top of you, telling you, why didn't you do this? Why didn't you do that? Why didn't you open it this time? Why didn't you open it that time? I had a business one time, and I used to open up my office at 8 a.m. And just that one day, you know, I'm human. Got there late. You know about how many minutes? 1 minute. It was 8:01. I already had a customer waiting for me. And, you know, I respected this man, older man back then. I was in my 30s. And he told me, oh, man, reprimanded me. Told me, that's the way you want to survive in business? I ain't even know what to say. And I used to be kind of like the attitude type where I ain't like taking nothing from people. This guy taught me a lesson. I learned a lesson from him. Later on in life, I noticed that the only reason why I didn't respond, I was probably ignorant about it. I notice this now. I understand this now. The only reason why I didn't respond because it was a lesson learned. God taught me a lesson. 1 minute late. Ain't that something? So, yeah, here I am. Hitting up my walls. At least this bottom part of the wall with this blue. Just go up and down. Roll it. Not difficult about it. Give this wall a couple of hands. And this is how my job is progressing. Alright? So, get back to you guys. I don't want to keep you guys just watching this video and get all bored. But this is how it's coming out. You're gonna see the ending project. You're gonna see the finished project. Believe me, you're gonna see it. So don't even worry about it, all right, people? Salute, salute, peace.